So yeah, it's a pretty flash hotel. We had the second floor, which was 2,000 more. We weren't happy with the view, so ended up getting the fourth floor, and it's got the salt room, it's got saunas, pools, cinema. You have to pay 500. Salt room, it's like 1,000, and floating breakfast, very flash room. Even the coffee machine. Nice toilet. Big shower. Double bed. Big balcony. Good view. Really good view. The second floor you couldn't see all these mountains and that. I think it was Peri Peri Hotel a couple of years ago. The view, you could see all the caves and the fog mist in the morning, but this is more wow factor. Would be one of the best hotels I've stayed at. The second floor one was pretty well the same, but it was like that, corner unit. There's so many restaurants and cafes, and the food's really good. Koh Summit, don't recommend if you're of Farang or whatever. Like a lot of Cambodians, the food, I reckon, we hear the food's a lot cleaner and it's more fresh, as you can see, all the veggies and that. The fruit way better. It's all Thai people cooking, so it's more upper class.